Uh, yeah, so, I've been hard at work at this thing. It took forever, almost a month, to make this thing, but I finally did. This isn't even a full one. This is just a prototype that we found. Because on the final ones, the hands are even, wires. And they're more bunched together, and it requires more wires and more money, so that's fun. I've been running some tests on these things for a couple minutes now, and it seems like it works just fine. But I'm not too sure about this thing. This whole project seems kinda off. Because in the documents, they says for war, but they're designed to look like these, the Freddy Fazbearers that we have now, so I'm not sure if they're even going to send it out, or if this is just an excuse to get the two other sides to join in with us. But it doesn't really seem to be working, though, because the general public doesn't know about these. Well, not really the general public. The two other sides don't even know about these things. All they see us as is just not doing anything, just not contributing anything. Which, I mean, I guess to their war, we're just not really doing all too much. But they apparently have two other of the older animatronics. They bought it from thrift store specifically so that way we wouldn't get it. And now they're just kind of holding them so that way we won't have the full collection. Well, I guess if they're gonna get mad, then there's nothing we can really do about it, right? Yeah, but that's not really too big of a deal, but this thing is pretty impressive still. It's way more complicated than that pink rabbit thing I did, but not really too much. There's a lot more just straight like poles and like metal rods in him to cut corners, but that's not really too surprising, as this is supposed to be a prototype, not really like a final design. This is just that way whoever did it, I'm pretty sure it's that William guy, so that way he could prove to himself that he could build it, or like prove to investors that he could build something like this. But I'm not too sure on that. Yeah, whatever. I made this thing. I'm gonna start trying to look into making another prototype for a different model. Looks more like a Foxy model. But this one I'm actually going to try to see if I can create a shell for this one. Because this one right here is mainly just for the skeleton, for eye movements and ears and all that. But that's really about it. I guess I should turn this thing off and get back to work on testing this.